Stuck! Mister! I'm in here!
Hold on! I'm coming! Where are you? I'm coming! Yo, stop making noise! Where are you? Oh my God! No, stop! Stop!
Fall out! You get back there.
Better finish unpacking, Barkley. Shelton's notorious for surprise inspections.
What are you doing?
What's it look like? I'm polishing Shelton's shoes.
What makes you polish his shoes?
No, I offered out of the kindness of my heart.
Whitehurst. Did you see Cochran with that doll today?
No, what doll?
He was carrying a good guy doll. Just before the accident in the garbage truck.
Good guys, I remember those.
Yeah, me too.
Lights out in a few minutes. I'm gonna go get washed up. Barkley, I almost forgot. Sergeant Clark wanted to know if you got that package.
What package?
He said he got a package in the mail. That little kid, Tyler, was supposed to bring it to you. Didn't you get it?
No. Who sent me a package?